Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Today I'm going to show you how to evaluate the derivative of sine x by using first principle of derivative or by limit definition. So throughout the discussion, matatakal ko sa inyo yung mga formulas na kinakailangan upang ma-prove natin na ang cosine of x is the derivative talaga ng sine x. Okay? So let's start. So by limit definition, f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of the sine function x plus h minus sine x all over h. So, sunod na tatandaan yung formula is yung sum of two angles ng sine function. Ganito siya. Sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine first angle, which is alpha, times cosine second angle, beta, plus cosine first angle, then sine second angle. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung concept nito, isa-substitute natin dito sa sine x plus h in terms of x plus and h. Okay? So, limit as h approaches 0 of sine first angle x times cosine second angle h plus cosine first angle and sine second angle. Okay? Then, subtracted to initial function sine x all over that h. Sunod, by separating the fraction, kasi lahat sila may common denominator, so may gagamitin tayo ditong limit identity to prove that the limit as h approaches 0 of ano muna. As you notice, ito sine x and cosine h subtracted to sine x, pwede natin siyang ipagsama. Then, kapag pinagsama natin siya, factorable na siya. Ang common factor dito is sine x. Okay, ito. So, bale, ilalabas natin si sine x, multiply to the quantity cosine h minus 1. Okay? Then, all over h. Okay, i-enclose natin to. So, sunod, may plus sign dito, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, plus yan. Kasi isi-separate natin yung mga fraction. Sunod naman is sine h times cosine x. Parehas lang sila. Cosine x, sine h, cosine x. Pwede na magbaliktaran. Okay? Then, all over that is h. Yun. So, by distributing the limit, para ma-evaluate natin, f prime of x is equal to the limit as, sine x, labas na natin muna si sine x, times limit as h approaches 0 of this quantity, cosine h minus 1 all over h. Okay, yan. Multiply siya. Plus, isolate natin si cosine times the quantity limit as h approaches 0 of, ano na lang yung natitira? Sine h over h. Okay. H. Ngayon, sa limit identity na gagamitin natin, eto, focus natin dito. Limit of x approaches 0 daw of cosine x minus 1 all over x is equal to 0. Bakit? May dalawang paraan para ma-prove na 0 siya. Una, gagamit kayo ng left and right hand rule ng limit and by using L'Hopital's rule. Okay? So, i-derivative natin tong numerator and denominator. Then, i-evaluate nyo yung when x is approaching 0. Okay? So, yun. Yan yung factor niya. Then, sunod naman, limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x is equal daw to 1. So, sabi ko kanina, may dalawang paraan para ma-prove to. Left and right hand rule or by using L'Hopital's rule. Okay? So, 1 siya. Okay, di nakikita. Okay, 1. So, by applying this concept dito, ibig sabihin, ang value niya, 0 na. And this one is 1. Okay? So, we obtain f prime of x is equal to sine x times 0 is 0 plus cosine x times 1 is just cosine of x. Yun. So, ganun ang pag-prove ng derivative ng sine function which is the cosine of x.